Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make bacon cheddar croquettes. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 cups of prepared and cooled mashed potatoes, 2 rashers of bacon, 1 egg, a cup of plain breadcrumbs, a half cup of shredded cheddar, 1 cup of flour divided, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of dried chives. We'll start by preheating our oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll heat a pan on the stovetop over medium heat. Once heated, we'll cook our bacon until crispy, about 4 minutes on the first side and 2 minutes on the second. Once our bacon becomes cool enough to handle, we'll crumble it and mix it with our 2 cups of mashed potatoes, half cup of shredded cheddar, a quarter cup of our flour, our tablespoon of minced garlic, teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of dried chives until well combined. We'll form our potato mixture into balls between 1 inch and 1.5 inches in diameter, using about 2 tablespoons of our mixture. Once we've rolled our balls, we'll beat an egg in a medium bowl and add our remaining 3/4 cups of flour and cup of breadcrumbs to 2 separate bowls. We'll roll our balls in our flour, dip it in our beaten egg, and coat it in our breadcrumbs. Working in batches if necessary, we'll fry our croquettes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and crispy, about 2 minutes. We'll serve these as an appetizer or a side. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.